Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the Snapchat application into dark mode. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapchat application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to log in using your credentials. Now, after logging into your account, you will be taken into the home page from which you can directly start taking pictures or videos to start posting. Now, if you wish to change the theme for the application into dark mode, then first of all tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now, from this page, you will find the gear icon at the top right. Tap on this to end up within the settings menu. Now, from this page, if you scroll down, you will be able to find the app appearance option. Tap on this and you will find the theme options. You can choose always light or always dark based on your preference. Whichever theme you choose, you might be asked to restart your application. Tap on the Restart Now button and your application will immediately restart with your chosen theme. Now, once the application has restarted, you will see that all of the application interface will be shown within dark mode. You can come back to the settings menu and then tap on App Appearance and also use Custom App Theme. From here, you can choose various different skins by customizing the app theme based on your desire. You can come back to this menu as many times as you want to change your theme for the Snapchat application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.